Hi guys, TIS Mumbai have just recently given their placement report. So let's check out the report of placements, batch profile, everything about the TIS college. So you can go to the link cetkin.com/TIS placements. I've given the link in the description box as well to check out the detail. So let's start with the overview about the college. So finally released the report for 2020 batch. So ROI have more than 1000. This is the best part of the TIS college. That ROI point of view, this is one of the top ROI you can expect at any B school. So that's the main factor here. So 1000% ROI due to low fees of 1.92 lakhs, that obviously excluding hostel and the mess charges, which is very less anyways. So the 38 company who came on campus, TIS offered HR program. So that's a beautiful green campus. Why this is more famous? Because there's very few green places in Mumbai. So exam accepted for them is TIS, where you have to TISnet, which happens in the first week of Jan, where average you have to score around 72 to 75 to get the call. So every year the cutoff changes depending on the paper, but the range is between 72 to 70 for the core program, main program. Then for the category wise, you can check out the cutoffs here. Batch profile, let's look at from the college. As per the data available on their website, 48% engineers यहाँ भी है. So those who think कि HR is not for engineer, look at here, 48% batch is engineer. So if they can do it, obviously anyone can do it. Arts 35% because this is MA, 12% commerce, and science 2%. That's the batch profile. Why they call it MA? Why not MBA? Because when I went to TIS, I talked to them. They said we are a MBA program but with a social touch, and the historical name is MA. And trust me, if you've ever been to TIS, you will find right from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi, everyone have come to campus. So the legacy of the campus they don't want to destroy. So they continue calling everything as MA only, even though it's MBA only, but the name is MA. So they call themselves MBA with a social touch. Beautiful. Yeah. Gender diversity 56% male, 43% female, which is a very well balanced gender equality. WorkX wise, 61% people have 0 to 11 months of WorkX. So that's a huge number. Yeah. 5% with 12 to 35 months of WorkX, 23 months of WorkX, 12% 34 to 35, and 20% more than 35. So if I join them together, 32% of the batch have more WorkX than 2 years. Yeah, at TIS. Summer internship highest placement was 1.6 lakh by Colgate. Otherwise, average is 1 lakh rupees. Now, if you look at the other B school as well, all the main IIMs, not the main IIMs, all the secondary IIMs, again, average is 1 lakh only. So almost same kind of package they're getting. Batch strength is 70 student who said for the placements. So all the major companies came on campus for the summer internship. Let's look at the final placement here. Now those who think HR वालों का काम is रंगोली तैयार करना, so let's look at here. Highest 32 lakh का package, average salary is 21.15. 21.15 is the average salary for HR people. Yeah, when I was doing my MBA, before my MBA, even I never, हमने सबसे ज़्यादा गाली HR को दी है यार. सैलरी लेट आया तो गाली, सैलरी नहीं आया तो गाली, अप्रेजल नहीं हुआ तो गाली, जबकि HR का फॉल्ट नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट द HR's work. HR is basically consulting, and that's why they are paying 21 lakh a package to them. And depending on and looking at the fees, how much they are paid to get admission, this is negligible. Fees 2 lakh fees, 21 lakh a package, so it's 1000% ROI. The only problem is batch strength is only 60. Yeah. Out of them, 20 people got a PPO. 1/3 of the batch, 33% of the batch have got a PPO offer. Look at the breakup. 20% of the batch have got a package of 25 lakhs. 50% of the batch in HR have got a package of 20 lakhs and 75% of the batch have average package of 24 lakh. Yeah. I think there is some mistake in that. I need to check that out. But yeah, average, let's look at the average only 21 lakh package. All the major companies coming on campus, Aditya Birla, Mahindra, all the major names. You pick up any IIMs, you'll find all the companies same on the board of the other IIMs as well. Yep. So there are two main colleges, XLRI and TISS for HR. I always rank TISS above XLRI, even though XLRI is a better college. Why? Because of fees, ROI point of view. XLRI fees is now touching almost 23 to 25 lakhs. TISS fees is 2 lakhs, 1/10. And placement wise, both of them are going to work in Accenture with the same package, ITC with the same package. Yeah. So imagine you are sitting next to the guy from XLRI. I'm from XLRI, number 1 college, this and that. TISS wala, you are number 2 college. But how much fees you have paid? 2 lakh. How much fees you have paid? 25 lakhs. Iska per month 25 to 30,000 is the loan per month. Iska loan almost zero. That's the best part of TISS. Yeah. So go to the link in the description box to check out all these details. And this is the very good, very, very motivating for all of us to go for. Because maximum Janta, maximum colleges also only target CAT. Yeah. The moment CAT is over, they just give you the mocks for other exams and tell you to go home because they want to talk about the CAT 2021 batch. But here at CET King, we focus on all the exams. So the moment CAT is over, we'll immediately shift to the non-CAT exam focus. In fact, what we do till May, June, we'll be having the common basics for all the exams. Then we'll divide in 2 parts. So one team will go for the CAT exam and one thing will go for the CET non-CAT exam, SNAP and MET TISS, all these exams. Yeah, all the best. So in case you want to join our program, in the description box I given the number, you can join us for the mock series, books, shortcuts, whichever plan you want to join for the TISS. There is no negative marking, so all the G strategies at CET King will rock in TISS exam. Yeah, all the best.